Students, in this video I will explain you different practice questions which are based on exponent or index laws. Okay, so first question is simplify the following using the laws of exponent. So whenever question will ask laws of exponent, means wherever you are using different laws, just mention it there. Okay, so first question is 1 upon 64 into 4 raised to the power 5. So 4 raised to the power 5 in numerator and 64 in denominator. Okay, so see here carefully. Through question, only through question, you are having clue. So which type of clue here? Here you are seeing that numerator is 4. In numerator base is 4. Okay, so clue is that 64 will come in the form of base 4. 64 should become in the base of 4. As you know, in previous video I have already explained you that if you know 64, how 64 can write in the form of power of 3, so it's okay. But if you don't know, so you can do simply prime factorization. So through prime factorization, you can get which power of 4 will be equal to 64. Okay, so just do prime factorization like this and you will get 4 raised to the power 3 is equals to 64. So instead of 64, you can write 1 upon 4 raised to the power 3, and it is in numerator it is 4 raised to the power 5. So which type of index law here we are using? So it is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. So since bases are same, so power will be subtracted. So 4 raised to the power 5 minus 3 is equals to 4 raised to the power 2, and write answer in form of integer, so it will become 16. Clear? Second question is minus 3 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. When we will write whole raised to the power? When one bracket is also there. Okay, so first, as we know, which type of index law we will use here? A raised to the power m whole raised to the power n will be equals to a raised to the power m into n. So here minus 3, what is base here? So base is minus 3. Base is minus 3. So minus 3 whole raised to the power is 3 into 2. So as we know 3 into 2 is 6. So this will become minus 3 raised to the power 6. Now see one thing here. I have already explained you when minus will come power of odd number power. Suppose it is minus 1 raised to the power 1. So answer will come with the negative sign. Okay, negative sign. And if it is minus 1 raised to the power 2, means if it will come in even number, so plus sign will come. Always remember, this will be helpful in full maths. Okay, so here we are seeing minus 3 raised to the power 6. So 6 is even number. So just multiply minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 6 times. Okay, and always put in bracket because here two operations are coming. Which type of operations? Multiplication as well as this negative sign. Okay, whenever two operations are coming, so just for safety, put your number, put your integer, put your digit in bracket, so you will become safe and there will be less possibility of your answer will wrong. Okay, less possibility of wrong answer. Now next question is 4 raised to the power 2 plus 5 raised to the power 2. So we didn't know any type of laws which we can use here. So just what you will do, just 4 raised to the power 2 is 4 into 4 and 5 raised to the power 2 is 5 into 5. So it will become 16 plus 5 is 41. Okay. Now next question is, it is 7 raised to the power a into 343 raised to the power b. Now see here, this 343 is a big number, okay, and if you don't know which type of means how we can write in terms of power, so just do prime factorization. Remember, prime factorization of 343, okay. Again I will say that for prime factorization you have to first you have to know different divisibility rule. So for doing prime factorization, divisibility rules, see divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like this, okay. If you will do up to 13, so it is enough, it's enough. You can do then you can do any number, prime factorization of any number, okay. So 343 can be written in the form of 7 into 7 into 7 whole raised to the power b. So how many it is? It is 7 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power b. So 7 raised to the power a into 7 raised to the power 3b. Which type of formula we are using here? We are using a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n will be written as a raised to the power mn. So it will become 7 raised to the power 3b. Now see here, we are having same base. So if we are having same base, so power will be add up. So 7 and 7 same base, so power will be add up. We are getting a raised to the 7 raised to the power a plus 3b. So final answer will be 7 raised to the power a plus 3b. Now next question is, simplify the following. 3 raised to the power minus 3 whole raised to the power 2. So which type of rule we are using here? So a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n will be equals to a raised to the power mn. So we will get minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So 3 raised to the power minus 6. Again, as we know, 81 can be written in the form of 3 raised to the power 4. So finally we have 3 raised to the power minus 6 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. So which type of formula we are using here? So we will use a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n will become a raised to the power m minus n. So it is in numerator it is minus 6. So minus 6, and when it will come up, so it will become minus 4. As you know, x raised to the power minus m can be written as 1 upon x raised to the power m. Or if I will say 1 upon x raised to the power m, so it can be written as x raised to the power minus m. Okay, so here same formula we are using. So since it is in denominator and it is 3 raised to the power plus 4, so finally it will become, when it will come in the numerator, it will become minus 4. So we can write 3 raised to the power minus 6 minus 4 is 3 raised to the power minus 10. Okay, now since we know that we have to try our answer in positive power, so we can write 1 upon 3 raised to the power 10. Now one question, whether 3 raised to the power minus 10, if I will write 3 raised to the power minus 10, then whether it will be a wrong answer? So I will say no, it is not wrong. It is not wrong. You can write 3 raised to the power 10. It is also right. Okay, it is right answer. But we have to, we should try our answer in positive powers. So 1 upon 3 raised to the power 10. Okay, now see carefully this question. It is a big question. See carefully. It is 18 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 4 whole raised to the power 2. Okay, so before doing your question, just see carefully. Just see carefully. Why I am saying so? Because when you will see carefully, by seeing carefully, half question will be done. How? Because here you can see easily that 18, how 18 can be written as? So 2 into 9. How now 9 can be written as? 3 into 3. Okay. So you have to do your question in such a way that basis should same. Okay, means you have to write 18 or whatever number it is, write those given number in such a way that their basis should be same or least number. You have to write number in such a extent that it will become least. Okay, so 18 raised to the power 5, so we can write 18 in terms of 2 into 9, so whole raised to the power 5. 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power minus 4 will be as it is, and this will be also as it is. Now 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, and remaining will be as it is. Now see here, which type of formula we are using here. So it is a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n will become a raised to the power m into n. So 2 raised to the power 5, and here 3 raised to the power 2 into 5. So this will become 10. And here we are using the same formula, so 3 raised to the power minus 8, and here we are using the same formula, so 2 raised to the power minus 8. Now see here, we are having same base 3 and 3, so when we are having same base, so we should use this formula, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power m will become a raised to the power m plus n, and same with 2. So 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power minus 8 will become 2 raised to the power 5 minus 8, which will equals to 2 raised to the power minus 3. And 3 raised to the power 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 8 will become 3 raised to the power 10 minus 8, which is equals to 3 raised to the power 2. Okay. And as we know, we have to write our final answer in terms of positive powers. So positive powers will be in the form of 2 raised to the power 3. Since this is in the numerator, will when it will come in the denominator, so power will become change. If it is a plus, so it will become minus in denominator. Okay, and vice versa. So 3 raised to the power 2 upon 2 raised to the power 3. And since they are small number with power, so we can write in terms of integer also, so this will become 9 upon 8. Clear? Now next question. So next question is 21 raised to the power 6 whole raised to the power 2 divided by 7 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 9 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 2 whole raised to the power 3. Okay, again I will say don't rush to do sum. Just carefully your sum. You can get many clues in that if you will see carefully. So 21 can be written as 3 into 7. Whether 7 are here, other, yes, 7 are here. Okay. Whether 3 are here, yes, 3 is also here. And 2 can be, this will come in the positive power. Okay. So which type of formula we are using here? So we are using division formula, we are using multiplication formula, and we are using this power formula also. And positive power formula means if it is x raised to the power minus m, so it will become x raised to the power m. Okay. So now we are doing, so 21 can be written as 3 into 7 raised to the power 6 whole raised to the power 2 divided by 7, so 3 into 3 raised to the power 9, and 2 will be 2 raised to the power minus 2 into 3. Now 6 into 2, so 3 raised to the power 6 into 2 into 7 raised to the power 6 into 2. Okay, and remaining are as it is. Here you can see this is division. So as you know, according to Bode-Mass rule, we have to use we have to do division first. So this area or these number we have to do first. So 7 raised to the power 6 into 2 is 7 raised to the power 12. 3 into 3 is 9. So we will use here division formula. So 12 minus 9 will become 3. Remaining will be as it is. Okay. Now see here. Here we are using that base 3. Base 3. So wherever we are using same base, so power will be add up. So 12 plus 9. Okay. So 12 plus 9 is 21. Now 3 is okay. Now take 7. So 7 raised to the power 3. No other base is here like 7. So 7 raised to the power 3. And C2. So 2 is alone. Base 2 is alone. So we will not do anything with these. So final answer will become 7 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power minus 6 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 21. As you know, we have to write our answer in positive powers. So simply 3 raised to the power 21 into 7 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 6. Here see what I am saying. No need to simplify it because it's very difficult. You will write 3 raised to the power 21. Okay, so just this is your final answer. Just leave it as it is. Now see next question. Write the following expression in the exponential and base form. Okay, exponential means you have to write in power form, or base form means you have to give emphasis on base also. So see here, first question, minus 5 raised to the power 8 minus 5 raised to the power minus 5 divided by minus 5 raised to the power minus 10. So bases are here, you are seeing what is base. So base is minus 5. And see, this base is everywhere same. So yes, base is everywhere is minus 5. Now see whether it is division. Yes, division is here. So we use Bodmer's rule, because in Bodmer's rule we have to do division first. Okay. So minus 5 raised to the power minus 5. See here it is minus 10. When it will come up, see here it is like this. Minus 5 raised to the power minus 5 divided by minus 5 raised to the power minus 10. Okay. When it will come up, so it will become minus 5 raised to the power minus 5 as it is, and this is minus 10. So when it will come up, it will become plus 10. So see here it is plus 10. Okay. Now see minus 5 raised to the power 8 minus 5 raised to the power 5. So since bases are same, so power will be add up 8 plus 5. So final answer is minus 5 raised to the power 13. Now see carefully another concept. Here base is minus 5. Okay, what is base? So base is minus 5. What is power? So power is 13. So no need to do or no need to change the change from numerator to denominator, because power is positive. So leave it as it is, minus 5 raised to the power whole raised to the power 13. Okay. Now see next question. Minus 15 raised to the power minus 3 whole raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 2 and multiplied by 5 raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 4. So just see carefully your question, you will get many clues from it. Okay, then do. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 and again whole raised to the power 4. And this we can do direct. So 8 into 2, and this we can do direct, 4 into 4. Now by using formula, x raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is x raised to the power mn. So 3 raised to the power minus 3 into 4, 5 raised to the power minus 3 into 4. So this will become minus 12 and this will become minus 12, and these will be as it is. Okay. So 3 raised to the power 16 into 5 raised to the power 16. Now see which bases are same. So we are seeing 3 and 3. So power will be add up minus 12 plus 6. And here you are seeing 5 and 5. So since bases are same, so power will be added up because it is a multiplication, and we are using this formula x raised to the power m multiplied by x raised to the power n is x raised to the power m plus n. Okay. So it will become 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4. Now see here, here our bases are not same. So which formula we are using? X raised to the power x into y whole raised to the power m. So this will be, we have to write individually x raised to the power m, y raised to the power n. So by using this formula, we can write our final answer in the form of 15 raised to the power 4. Okay. Now see next question. It is in the form of variables. P raised to the power minus 5, Q raised to the power minus 6 divided by 1 upon P raised to the power minus 2, Q raised to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay. So when it will come up, so this will become positive one thing, and whenever division is there, so when we are doing simplification of these type of question, so division will change into multiplication, and second quantity will become reverse. So since it is denominator, so it will come in the numerator. Now multiply it. So which formula we are using? We are using x raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is x raised to the power mn. So p raised to the power minus 4 and q raised to the power minus 4. Now we are using which formula? So x raised to the power m multiplied by x raised to the power n is x raised to the power m plus n, where x is base and this is same for both. Okay. So here we are seeing p and p. So power will add up. So minus 5 minus 4. So minus 9. And for q minus 6 minus 4. So this will become minus 10. As we know, we have to write our answer in positive powers. So this will become 1 upon p raised to the power 9, q raised to the power 10. So this will be your final answer. Okay. Now just summarize our video. In this video, through this video, you can learn many important things. Okay. So through this video, what we did, we have seen that how we can write big number in the form of power. So if we don't know how to write, so just do prime factorization, or for prime factorization you should use divisibility rule. Okay. And see this question, it is very interesting. In this you can't able to use any formula of index. So just simplify it and write answer. Okay. So we can do 7 raised to the power 3 is equals to 343, or in reverse way also 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7. And we have seen that if your answer will come in negative power, so just write in the form of positive power. In this video you learned that just by seeing your question, don't do rush. First see carefully, then see how we can write base in terms of by multiplying, means simplified form of base. See here 18 can be written as 2 into 9, and then further 2 into 3 into 3, like this. Use Bodmas rule wherever it is required. Okay. So here we have used division first. If it is bracket, then simplified bracket first, and in bracket there are different priorities, bar, this type, first bar, then this, then curly bracket, then rectangle. Okay. The same thing we did in this question. Use Bodmas rule, and if it is negative power, then when it will come up, so it will become positive. Okay. Whenever it will come from numerator to denominator, and we'll change the sign and vice versa also. Okay, so through this video you can learn many things. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.